Good morning, YouTube friends. Once again, today is November 22, 2022, day 29 of our Himalayan Mulberry. Oh man, look at these guys. These birds are eating the bottom end of those red ones. Look at that. I think almost they tested here. The reason they cannot like pick it out from the tree, so rather they just peck on the bottom end of the fruit. Now I think we don't have quality fruits, as almost all those red ones are being pecked by the birds. See that? So look at that. Almost all. Yeah, sometimes birds are good animals, but they can be a cause of harm to your fruits and vegetables. But as human beings, we have to understand them, since they don't know how to plant, and rather they have to depend on what they can forage in the forest or right there in someone's backyard, and in this case my backyard. So we have to share space and food with them. If we can tolerate a thief sneaking into our property and took something, then much better we understand this little and helpless creatures, the birds. Or maybe we can have a tree with fruits, and the others we have to cover with kind of greenhouse or screen that the fruits will be protected from them. Especially if you are selling fruits like this, so you need to produce quality ones. So you have to take care and look after the health, the figure, and everything of your fruits. But here, just my wife and me are consuming this one, so we don't have to be more strict about this. But I think in the long run, since this type of mulberry does not grow tall, unlike the local variety here that sometimes can go up to 3-4 meters high. So that would be very difficult for us to make a greenhouse or kind of thing to cover the whole mulberry plant. I think Himalayan mulberry, as you can see, more than a meter high, from not just from the ground but even from the pots above the ground. So that means the height is manageable to create some kind of canopy or a greenhouse to protect the whole plant and its fruit inside. So we'll do that as we begin to reproduce this Himalayan mulberry in the next season, perhaps, or early next year, as long as we have time. It's really difficult now. It's almost 7 o'clock. My wife and I have to go to school. We have gate duty every week. So this coming Friday, I have another 5 period teaching today. And I think this week again on Thursday or Friday, I have another 5 period for some makeup classes with Matthias 6, grade 12. Since they're not around on December 1 to 9, so we have to do some advanced makeup classes. So here we harvested this morning, YouTube friends. As you can see, another good harvest of our Himalayan mulberry. So I was not able to do live streaming and yesterday because we arrived home late, like 6 or 15 or 20 past 6, and it's already dark when we arrive here. I was not able to lose my chickens to be able to scratch some bugs outside yesterday, so today I have to make sure that my chickens can be able to go out. And also my wife has a special tutorial